Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. After a long time, again, I will be taking a class on English 1. So, the question paper is already given to you on the previous week, but we all three teachers we find that many students they did not complete the work yet. So, it is decided by three of us that the same work hardly two or three students did complete that, so the thing will remain the same. And Rima Miss has already discussed about the question 2 part, so I will be discussing question 1 part. Okay, and other Souvik sir will discuss his part next week. So today the I will be discussing question 1. Okay, so you all have your question. I intentionally have not kept the question paper ready over here because I want each one of you to keep your worksheet ready with you. That's why you need to take the trouble, if you consider obviously, to open your worksheet and to do the work. So the first topic in your composition was I will only be providing you certain hints to certain questions. You all are class 11, means higher class students, you all are class 11. So it's entirely your own responsibility to complete the task completely by your own self. I can only provide you means the guideline or certain hints that may help you. So the first question is you had gone on a trekking expedition with a group of friends. As night closed in, you realized that you were separated from the group. This is the situation. The situation is already provided. Now what the descriptive thing asks, that is, describe your initial feelings and the place where you got lost. So the first point you need to cover up is to describe your initial feelings. As soon as you found that you are not with your other, you are not with the other members of the trip, you are not with your friends, as soon as you got to understand that, what was your immediate feelings, what was your sudden feelings. Okay, obviously you will be nervous, a bit afraid, or a bit worried as well, tensed. Then how did you spend the night alone before you were reunited with your group? Now you need to, the second part is how did you spend the night and before you were reunited with your group. Means the way you spend the night and the process, obviously it is hinted at, which you need to understand, that you need to provide details of the means first you need to mention the place you went. Okay, and you can mention some, you can provide certain some of the description about a certain 2 or 3 lines you can use for the place. Then you must have noticed something, and for that particular thing you were a bit distracted towards that particular thing, and you went in search of that. And when you went there, after means when you observed everything and you understood, in the meantime you understood that you are not with your group, then what did you feel? So your feelings and your mental condition should be described in a right manner, the way it is expected. That is the first point of the question. Then you need to think something to spend the night. Okay, you must have, as you have gone for trekking, so you must, it is quite obvious, it is we can obviously come to the conclusion that you have experience. Okay, so you can well plan how to spend the night. Okay, so you will obviously give a vivid description of that, and your next plan to get rid of that situation, to be united back with your friends. So these 3 things you need to cover up for the first topic. Okay, now the next one is, it is easy to advise others not to worry, but difficult for oneself to follow the same. narrate an experience which made you realize the truth of this statement. So it should be obviously first person account. You are the writer, you are the narrator. Now your own identity should not be revealed here. Suppose your name, we find in school your name uh, Rohit Sharma. Okay, so in your writing you will never mention that I am Rohit Sharma of class 11 or something. No, you are a completely you need to think yourself completely a different person, but your writing will be I only. Okay, means you first person account, means you have experienced that and the thing you are narrating. And what you need to narrate here, some one incident from your own experience, you are going to write it down, which will obviously depict the theme that it is easy to advise others not to worry, but it is quite difficult for one not to worry if the situation comes like that. So you should narrate one story or one incident, not story, one incident. That incident took place within your experience. So you need to imagine something and write down here. Number C, that is the best things in life come free. Write for or against the statement. This is quite interesting. Now here you need to be you need to be very strict to your standpoint. If you are for the statement, you need to be strictly for. If you are against the statement, you need to be strictly against. Now those who are for the statement, they will put forward the points supporting that yes, the best things in life come free. Those who are against, they will try to write down the points. No, it's not. It costs. It's not. Never. Nothing comes free. So you all are means here you need to think something and write. What happens? We generally discuss certain points and you all remain within those points only. So here I will not mention any specific points. Okay, you need to think it. If you send me your writings, I will definitely discuss that part. Now number 4 is photographs. Only the word as I told. So you need to only means whatever comes within your mind you can write following that. And number E is, in order to be successful, one should rely on oneself and not expect others to help. Express your views on the given statement. See, here also one statement is given, but unlike argumentative, here you can jot down your point of view for both the cases. Okay, means whatever you think, your one paragraph can contain by that in order to be successful, one should rely on oneself and not to expect others to help. Supporting this, you can write down for two paragraphs, and next 2 paragraphs also you can whatever you think, as I said, means if you think yes, it is sometime it's applicable and sometime it's not, so both the cases you can represent here. Okay, and number F is, you need to write compose one story that should be entirely your own. You cannot copy it from anywhere else. You cannot even translate it into English from one Bengali story or Hindi story or some other language. So what you need to do is that you need to, the story beginning with the following words, means at the very beginning your story should start. What is the condition given here? She was delighted to find the sealed envelope lying on her table. As she reached for it, then after it you are free to put your own words, obviously following the sequence, following the the way it is expected. It should follow that pattern. So for story, each one has his or her own story. Okay, so there you should be much creative. So the story should be entirely your own. You need to write down the story following the direction. And question 2 number A, that is, you are Nitin or Nita from XYZ school. I have already answered this probably in live class. So you wish to start applying to various colleges for admission after your ISC examination. In about 300 words, draft your personal profile using the guidelines given below. So here certain guidelines will be provided in case of personal profile, and you need to follow those points, the hints provided, and you need to just cover up each and every point already mentioned here as hints. So the first point is your name. Name is already given in the question. So if you are a boy, you will write Nitin. If you are a girl, you will write Nita. Obviously put surname. Your years spent in the school you are passing out from. Imagine certain school. Okay, for your school name it is given from XYZ school. So you can write, means you will not reveal anywhere in the answer script your identity. Your school should not be identified. Okay, so you will mention your years spent in the school passing out from, and then you will obviously cover up academic interest and performance. Means people should get means your personal profile means you are saying about your own self, and people should get the proper impression regarding you. So whatever these points are, you need to cover up each and every point. If you cover up each and every point, then only you get your expected marks. If you do not follow all the points, obviously marks will be deducted in this part. So I think I have completed the discussion. So what you need to do is, it's not mandatory that you will be writing all the compositions. It's not required, but at least try to write your own choice. Among all these, you can at least try 2-3. Okay, as you all are practicing, so here you get a scope, you take your time, and after your vacation only, you try to send me through subject query button. I would love to check your works. So this much for today. If you have anything to ask, you can ask me through subject query, but do mention your reply email address or your phone number so that I can directly talk to you. So this much for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.